In this video, you'll learn how to add hyperlinks to your designs on the Canva website. To get started, select the desired project from your starred list, then choose the specific item within your workspace you want to edit. This allows you to pinpoint exactly where you'd like to add your hyperlink. Next, create a new element if needed by clicking the New button, and select a color from the palette to give your design a unique look. Now add text by selecting the text option and choose to insert a heading so your clickable link stands out. Use the Add a Label button if you want to highlight certain text for your hyperlink. Fast select your text. From here, click the More Options menu. Then select the Link option. Your website's pages will appear on the screen. Simply choose the page you want to link and click Done. Complete this step, and the full web address will be added to the input field, allowing viewers to access the website directly from your design. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Canva design.